Hi, good morning. My name is Leon Hendricks. I'm the managing director of a company called DLK Group. We are proud to be a sponsor for the third year running for the Nantes AC Unity race. And I want to talk to you about the why we do it. That's the thing that is close to my heart. The amazing work that Nantes has been doing and is still doing and will be doing in the future in the community, the giving back to the community in all respects. Nantes as a club being a safe space for people to come to, whether it's youth or old and young coming to the club. They won't only find a running club, they'll find a family, a sense of belonging. And then that journey of getting back to health starts. So those are all the reasons of the why we invest in the race, and also on an ongoing basis in the club itself. So I'm really proud to be involved in the club as not only a sponsor, but in my capacity as the chairperson as well. And I encourage all of you to come out and support us. Please come and support us. As a couch potato that's never walked in your life, to the elite runners. A lot of people come and do their PBs there. But then for the non-runner, we cater because it's flat. Come out, as they say on the Cape Flat, stick 8. Jou bang ding. But yeah, I'm looking forward to welcoming you to our race on the 24th of September, our Unity race.